Welcome to the Hydraulic Press channel. Today we have new tool for our press. And we have also new mobile game coming. And it's based on our really popular Frozen Lake series. And it's made by same developer than who made the Hydraulic Press Pocket mobile game that has now over 3 million downloads. We have the beta open for new game and the old games also available, so go check those out, link is in description. And the tool is quite simple tool. It has 8 sharp blades that are going to slice everything in 8 pieces. And we have shitload of stuff today lined up for the press. First we have frozen pizzas, and the last one is going to be frying pan. And then we have lots of stuff between these two. Yeah, so let's start. Yeah, so here we go. Yeah, it just works. And then the next one, Barbie doll. And Barbie is excellent even with the regular tool, so this should be really nice. Yep, and then something a bit harder. We have this broken tablet computer. Yeah, there was some serious force because the this blade, I think it's 15mm thick. It got bent from the middle, there was so much of force. But the tablet computer is in 8 slices right now. So yeah, pretty good. Yeah, I took the tool out so we can see what is the situation. Yeah, still sharp and doing well. Yep, and then the paper. The blades are still in good condition, And we had to rotate the paper like this so we can get even pressure on the tool. And it's really interesting to see what is going to happen. Yep, so here is the end result. There is a small piece on the center holding these together, and then some of here. But it cutted like about maybe inch of paper. And I think if we would go with the full pressure, it would be go like deeper. But at least this blade was like bending. So I don't want to destroy my tool on the first day. Maybe on the third video we can destroy this. Yeah, and then the frying pan. Yeah, I think this was the best one. Yeah. This was a real frying pan, no like toy. And it's just like slice it into the 8 pieces. Yeah, I think this is great. Yeah. But I will make shorter tool for the next video. So then we can use full force without any problems. And we can do more stuff like this. Yeah, but that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. And for today's extra content, we have this toxic monster. If you try to deal it with eating it, you will die. So we are not going to eat it, we are not going to crush it, but we are going to slice it.
Hyvä, hei. Toi käsi. Ihan hyvä.